Hello, AP people. This video goes through the 2020 AP exam day checklist. They want you to print this out. If you don't have a printer and you want a printed copy, you can email me and I'll get it in the mail in the next day or two here so that you get it before next, or sometime next week. Um, I don't think it needs to be printed out. That's up to you if you want that printed. Because really the only information you're filling in is this stuff up here. So the biggest thing is your 8-character AP ID. You can find that in your exam confirmation email, in your AP College Board account, or in your exam e-ticket email. So get that ID, make sure you have it handy. That's a big piece of the information that you need on the day of the exam. The name of your exam is AP Computer Science A. It is on Friday, May 15th. It starts at 3 p.m., but you need to log in already at 2:30. So AP Computer Science A, Friday, May 15th, starts at 3 p.m., but you need to log in at 2:30 p.m. That's all of that information right here on the top. The paragraph underneath this box is about world language and music theory, so not applicable to us. On like the day before the test or on test day, am I ready to test? So I have my AP exam e-ticket. You've got all that information. Your computer's plugged in and or charged. When you click on a link, the browser that opens is Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. We will actually go through a practice exam demo sometime next week. I will get you directions for how to do that. They want me to try it first on my machine and so that I know what I'm doing, and then you're supposed to try it on yours. If you're going to be typing your exam, you will have a Google Doc, Word, or Notepad. A Notepad is allowed. For AP Comp Sci, there are 2 questions for the exam, so you will have 2 documents. Do not type both answers in the same document. You're supposed to have one answer in one document. So each document contains one answer. At the top of the document, you typed your AP 8-character ID and your initials are also at the top. So make sure that these things are at the top of each of your documents for each of your questions. AP 8-character ID and your initials. If you are handwriting it, you will need 2 pieces of paper. Again, one for each question. Again, you write your 8-character AP ID and your initials, and they also want a page number on top. Required materials, I will go through that in another video. Also the exam security guidelines, I'll go through in another video. Accommodations, I don't think any of you are applicable for that. Here's AP Music Theory, World Language. We don't need any of that. During the day of the exam, once the exam has started, you will not refresh or use the back arrow. Do not refresh or use the back arrow. You will cause problems in your test if you do that. You will keep the exam question open on your device so you can see the timer and the 5-minute warning. It does not ring a bell though, it just flashes on the screen. So another AP teacher suggested that you have a timer with a bell running somewhere in the background. So we'll talk about that a little more in another video as well. When you see the on-screen warning, you will stop working on your response and start the process for attaching, pasting, and submitting it. Okay, so at the 5-minute warning, stop working and start submitting things. Understand that if you do not attach or paste your response before clicking submit, it's going to give you a 0. So make sure you're attaching and pasting first and then clicking submit. And all of that needs to be done before the timer's finished. I think you'll have 5 minutes to do that process. If you accidentally close a browser tab, which could happen, or there's an internet connection trouble, or any other sort of disruption, maybe your little sister comes walking in your rooms yelling, I don't know, you can actually take care of that interruption and then go click into the exam again and click your e-ticket and start it again. If you cannot rejoin, or you feel like it was too much time to regain access, or you do not see your AP exam is complete message at the end of the exam, you can request a makeup exam. I believe it's in early June. Here's the site to do that if you want to do it. I hope all things go well for you though, and that you do not have to do that. Again, more information if you're taking world language. Down at the bottom after the exam, you can sign into your AP account and indicate which college, university, or scholarship you want to receive your score. That needs to be done by June 20th of 2020. And if anybody tries to contact you while you're taking the exam about the exam, you can report that cheating attempt to the College Board right here. So that's it for that. I will talk to you in another video shortly. Talk to you soon. Bye.